Do this one two ways. First, let's plug in. Let's see what happens if we say m equals 2 and n equals 3, right? So this becomes 4 to the 2 plus 3, which is 4 to the 5th, which is what? Well, 4 to the 5th in my calculator is 1024, right? So q equals 1024. Now, 4 to the 2m plus 2n, right? 4 to the 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 is going to be 4 to the 4 plus 6, which is 4 to the 10, and that's a big number. I'm going to probably need to go down to the next line to write that. Yeah, 1,048,576. 1,048,576. Okay, so we're looking for an answer choice that gives us 1,448,576 when we plug in 1024 for Q. So 2Q, no, that's not even going to be close, right? 4Q will also not be close. You can kind of tell just from looking at it that you need to be in the millions, so doubling something in the thousands isn't going to get you there, nor is multiplying by 4. But if we square it, well, maybe we're getting somewhere. So 1024 squared in the calculator is, lo and behold, 1024 squared equals 1,048,576. C is our answer. Now, generally speaking, when you plug in, you want to check every answer choice, but because we know q squared works, we also can tell without really checking that 2q squared and 8q squared are not going to work. Answer is C. Alright, so there's the plug-in. It's pretty easy, but of course it's also good to know the exponent rule. So let's see if I can back out of this without screwing up everything. So far, so good. Alright, so what I want to do now is just quickly go through the exponent rules. What we want to do is recognize what's going on to go from 4 to the m plus n, right? So what happens to it to get it to become 4 to the 2m plus 2n. So note what happens to the exponent here. The exponent from m plus n to 2m plus 2n gets doubled. How do we double an exponent? How do we multiply an exponent by something? Well, quite simply, we raise it to the second power. So this is 4 to the m plus n squared. If we raise a power to a power, that means we multiply the powers, right? So 4 to the m plus n all squared equals 4 to the 2m plus 2n. Now, of course, if I know that 4 to the m plus n equals q, and I want to square that, right, so we're going to square both sides, then, of course, 4 to the 2m plus 2n is going to equal q squared. Sorry, my q's look like 9s. All right, so q squared. Either way, we get C as the answer. Cool.